This year we have a very exciting announcement to make. Due to the scoring methodology and the judge's unanimous decision, we have a second grand prize winner to present. Daryl.
Yes, indeed. Also a grand prize winner this evening is Palomar Pomerado Health.
Palomar Pomerado Health is the largest health district in the state of California. We have approximately 4,000 staff members. We run a number of different facilities, both hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, home health agency. We're approximately a $1.5 to $1.7 billion business, if I could use that term, even though we're in the business of simply taking care of people.
The hospital of the future is coming. We know that. It's being built. We're going to be moving into the new hospital in about 10 to 11 months. And that new hospital has a completely different concept. It's done very differently. We don't have centralized nursing stations. We'll have new equipment. We'll have massive amounts of change that our employees are going to be facing. We want to make sure that not only is the building ready for the people, but the people are ready for the building.
We knew that we weren't going to have all the staff of what we needed. We know that our managers and our leaders are busy and affecting changes, but we also knew that this really comes from the staff. So through the efforts of our organizational development and organizational learning activities, we created culture champions.
We were really looking for a way to optimize our resources. And have resources closer to the people where the change is going to happen.
And so we used an organizational culture assessment instrument that was developed at the University of Michigan by Dr. Quinn and Dr. Cameron. And in our culture transformation strategy, what we were interested in doing is maintaining our clan culture, because that was the core of our personality. But we were interested in decreasing some of our hierarchy and simultaneously getting more innovation and creativity and continuing to focus on becoming more of a market culture. And their research has shown that there were 3 components that really had a significant impact on job effectiveness. And that was, one is identifying those individuals who were really at the center of information. So who did you go to get information? Who were the people that you trusted? And thirdly, who were the high energy people?
So after we asked the organization for nominations, we wound up with about 1,700 individuals nominated. And out of those 1,700, about 224 were nominated by more than 5 people. So we then applied some criteria. We took a diagonal slice so that we got all levels. We put those 30 individuals through a pretty rigorous development process. We gave them training in the William Bridges transition management process, trained them to be kind of change managers and coaches around change. We gave them facilitation skills and then immediately gave them some opportunities to go practice those in the whole organization. They were ambassadors and they visited different departments and units and really just had culture chats with people and made sure people understood where we were going and why we were going, the direction that we were headed. So we got them very busy, and so busy that by the second year we needed more, and we went through a second iteration and grew our numbers to where we now have about 50.
The culture champions are very easy to identify. They have wonderful blue teal shirts. They have ID badges. And because they exude such positive energy, they're very easy. People want to talk to them.
They are the high energy, well-informed, credible, trustworthy people. They're really passionate about our culture. They're passionate about patient care.
And I really believe that their commitment and their energy level is really infectious. And that's really what we're about and what really makes us successful.
Our turnover is lower than benchmark. We're below 9% overall turnover in the organization. We see high retention rates. We've seen our employee engagement scores steadily going up over the last few years. The culture champions are actually very effective and they're making a difference in the organization.
I feel very fortunate to have the leaders that we have in HR because they have a sense of the vision of what we wanted to create. They're committed to making it happen, and they're a small band of mighty folks. And they have really help turn the culture of our organization 180 degrees. And that's really what's putting Palomar Pomerado Health on the map and will be in the future. And by the way, not just for the district we serve, but regionally, and we're even finding nationally.
Thank you. We are very excited to be here, and thank you so much to the judges and to San Diego SHRM for the honor. We are very, very honored to be here and to accept this award. I know that Michael Covert, who is our CEO, would like to be here. Unfortunately, he's at a board committee meeting tonight, so he couldn't be here. But I will publicly tell you that he is absolutely phenomenal in his support for human resources and his support for human resources being a strong strategic partner at the table in everything that we do. We also have with us tonight Nancy Bassett, who is a member of our board of directors, and that just also signals to you the kind of support that human resources has all the way up to our board. And so we're really excited to have Nancy with us as well tonight to celebrate this award. I'd like to introduce you to some of our culture champions. These are some of the 55 people that we have as culture champions, and these are all members of our team, of the HR team, and they do an absolutely phenomenal job. And of course, Leslie, where's Leslie? Leslie. Leslie is our the person who coaches and mentors and helps our culture champions in their work in the organization. And so thank you all for all that you do. You're absolutely some of the most special people in the whole world. And I guess to the rest of my team that is still over there, because we couldn't all fit up here, I just would like to say thank you. This award is really for you and because of you. So thank you very much.